What's up, gang? It's your boy Coach K, man, back with another banger. And we're talking the SPY. We're talking the SPY right now. So let's get into the technical analysis on where I think the SPY is going. But before I do that, please understand this is not financial advice. If you're looking for financial advice, please seek a financial advisor. Do your own research, your own due diligence. Again, I'm just showing you guys what it is that works for me. All right. With that being said, let's get started. Know it's been a while since I dropped the video, but I've been kind of busy. First of all, man, starting on, well, you guys know we've been in a downtrend ever since, man, look, ever since the beginning of the year, since 2022, and I don't think it's going to get any better next year, especially the first quarter, because the earnings are not looking good with a lot of the top tier companies. But we're not here to talk fundamentals. We're here to talk technical analysis right now. So as you can see, if we can zoom in on a 4 hour time frame, um, let's see here. All right, here's a downtrend, right? Here's a downtrend. All right. Here's an uptrend. Please understand that the market moves in cycle, guys. Like, know how the market move, at least have an idea on how the market move. And it'll give you, confidence whenever you're trading, right? Or confluences whenever you're trading. All right. So you see that we've been in this downtrend. We went up, we came down, we went up for a little while, right? And with the news that we got as far as the Feds, I mean, like I just think we're going back down, right? All right, that's just my opinion. So basically, once I understood that, I took a look and see what we have right here, right? And it seemed like we just broke structure on a uptrend, right? So we were trending up from what I can see here. Since you guys like 2 touches and 3 touches and all that, I just make it touch a little bit, right? Sometimes a lot of that stuff don't matter, but that's a different story. All right, this is the H4, and we can see clearly. We started trending up October 13th, so it seemed like this little uptrend lasted until December 13th. So exactly about 2 months. This stuff don't be a coincidence, y'all. I'm telling you. All right, so where do I think we're going at now? Let's see, we broke structure here. Also, I noticed we had a double top that formed right up here, right, as you can see. And you see also that we were starting to form, or we did form, the M pattern that a lot of traders look for, right? So a lot of times traders look for that M pattern right there, right? And what happens is once the neckline of this thing breaks, then that's when a lot of you guys like hop in the trade, however you hop in the trade, right? All right, so let's draw that at the neckline. I'm kind of anal about spot spin on there. All right, M pattern, it broke, right? So what do we do from here? Like, what are we gonna do? Like, you see that the structure already broken. We broke that, momentum picked up, and we moved to the downside. So what do we go from here? Are we gonna retest? Like, we came down, but are we gonna retest and continue to the downside? Or will we continue to the downside more before, doing a retest, right? We don't have a crystal ball, but all we can do is just kind of get things lined up, right? I got a feeling I'm gonna be using this again, so I'm gonna draw that out. All right, so right here, if you guys want to use your Fibonacci or whatever you use to in order to find out how far you think the market might drop, that'd be a good idea. That's on you guys. I don't really use the Fibonacci a whole lot. Um, I don't really use a lot of this stuff a whole lot. You just mess up your chart and you don't get clear trading. Like you've been unfollowed all of these MA crosses and I don't know, whatever. A lot of times just use price action and volume, right? All right, so let's go ahead and move down to the 1 hour time frame so we can zoom in and kind of get a clear picture of what's going on. There's some more touches for you guys that's kind of anal about your trend line having, a certain amount of touches on it. So there you go right there, right? That's about 4, 5 if you're counting the initial one. All right. So yes, it was a strong trend line for about 2 months and it broke. All right. Now, as you can see, we did come down. Let me try to make this bigger for y'all. So we did come down and then we did almost retest this area right here. So this will be the retest for you guys that's looking for a retest. That will be the retest right here. And you could have rolled down. And you probably can still ride down. Now, one of the EMAs that I use is the 50, because a lot of times if there's bad news, I'll ride the 50 down. Like if I know that there's bad news, there's no need. I don't care how we're making lower highs and lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. I don't care about that. If we're behind that 50, I'm not gonna touch a hotkey. Like I'm just gonna take much profit as I could, right? All right, so with that being said, I also want to make sure that we are under the 200. I noticed the H1 time frame, but still it's showing that we are under the 200 EMA. We are under the 50 EMA. So, structure broke, momentum picked up to the downside light. So, in my opinion, I really think that we're moving down, right? Um, so we had a retest drop down, try to retest again. That's what it looked like. So I think we coming back down. We're gonna come back down. Like even if, and I mean, there's a strong possibility that we can push up to try to close the gap right here. But there's a strong possibility that we can push up and then head back down. And the reason why I say that is because we've already started making um you know, a lower low, right? Lower high here, lower low, and we could possibly make a lower high and continue on to the downside. So that's why I'm really confident that this thing is moving down. I can't say 100% that we are, and I'm not gonna tell y'all that. But I can say that I will be looking to go short, right? That's what I can say. I don't want to get my page shut down, anything like that. A lot of that's been going on lately. Um, but far as the SPY, yeah, we will be moving down. So if you guys could just kind of watch out for that, then you should be able to, make some money this week or something like that. Maybe I'll put in an option contract. I'm not sure. Um, but that's it, man. I just want to touch on the SPY. I think, do we have more news coming up? Hang on, let me take a look at my notes. I know we just had the Fed meeting. Uh, hang on, guys. I don't know. I can't find it. Um, Something else coming. I don't know what it is, but watch the news right now as well, guys. But hey, thanks for watching, man. I appreciate it. Just wanted to give y'all, my deal on where I think and my analysis on where I think the market is going. If you're trading the Fibonacci, like I said, you can probably look to kind of take profit. Hang on. Maybe in this type of area here, and then just keep watching, maybe 375 and keep watching. But thanks for watching, man. Oh yeah, hit the like button, subscribe, and all of that good stuff. Thank you.